News now from Mumbai, where there's been a bit of a war of words between the Thackeray cousins. Shiv Sena President Uddhav Thackeray has criticized Raj Thackeray of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena for the recent events at Maharashtrian toll booths. Interestingly, the criticism is not about the vandalism, but for taking up an issue that the Shiv Sena had earlier promoted. The fight now seems to be about who should take credit for first ordering the vandalism against toll booths. Sahil Joshi, our bureau chief for Mumbai, is with us for more on this. Sahil, it seems incredible that people are actually condoning the actions and trying to fight for credit over who began this entire drama.
The point what Uddhav Thackeray is trying to make is that we saw a couple of weeks before that Shiv Sena and some other opposition party joined hand together in Kolhapur against the toll booth agitation there at the Kolhapur highway. So the toll booth could not be started by the state government despite assurance of the security to the toll company. But now when MNS has suddenly taken up this issue and have started vandalizing toll booths across Maharashtra, Shiv Sena feels that it might get public support, and maybe because of that Uddhav Thackeray had to challenge Raj Thackeray, saying that Raj Thackeray's party was actually sleeping for so many months, and suddenly when they realized that some other party is taking up the issue and people are supporting it, that's why MNS has certainly started taking toll issue. And what he is doing, basically, what Raj Thackeray is actually doing is it's kind of a gimmick before Lok Sabha elections, because he understands that MNS has done actually nothing for last few months, and now suddenly when they are facing elections, they know that they will have to take up certain issues which will get public sympathy and support. So that is the reason why Raj Thackeray is doing it, whereas the issue was actually taken by Shiv Sena. So it's a question of credit, and Uddhav Thackeray feels that this time the people are with Shiv Sena BJP alliance, and MNS is trying to cut into their votes, and that's why they are doing such kind of issues just in face of election.
Well, that's a question, of course, is whether the Shiv Sena or the MNS indeed actually enjoy any support on this issue, because there seems to be widespread condemnation of the vandalism that has gone on, even though the objective of their claims about these toll booths may remain valid.
Actually, the toll booth issue has been being raised by many activists since last many months. It's not the first time that the political party have raised it. Yes, the people the armed people were definitely a bit upset with the government, the way the toll collection has been happening around Mumbai and all the major highways in Mumbai. So the political party sense that there is an anger among people, and that's why these issues have been picked up. Now the issue is with whether the law should be taken in hand or not, or the party should come down on vandalizing the toll booths. But we all know that the MNS and Shiv Sena, whenever they do agitation, they only know the best way of doing such kind of things, and that's the reason why they come down to vandalizing various things. We have seen it in 2008. We have seen the same toll booth agitation by anti-toll booth agitation by MNS in 2012, and now just before elections, MNS is again at it.
Well, bears remembering that Sal mentioned that this has been going on for several years now, and the Shiv Sena and the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena haven't been in power since then.